Hi, I'm Neil with Wherefore. If you're a food manufacturer, a word you probably do not want to hear is recall. Fortunately for Wherefore customers, they can run a recall report quickly and easily. So let's show you how they do it. We're in the reporting module. You'll see a recall report. Click on it and we're in. All we need to run a recall is a product log code. Simply plug that log code into this field. And we're looking for cocoa beans in our chocolate company here. Generate the report, and we have instant recall visibility. We can easily see all the products we made that contain that specific lot of cocoa beans. You're able to see what you have on the shelf, but most importantly, you can see the affected shipments. This is a list of all products that contain that specific ingredient in question and the customers that we sent them out to. For more information, visit us anytime at wherefore.com.